Hello friends, Namaskara. Have you ever seen Stampede? No. Come to JP Nagar bro, full feel. Stampede ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಜನ ಸಾಗರ. Oh, don't know Kannada. Tsunami kane. Tsunami of people you get to see here. JP Nagar area illa. Vibe. It's a vibe. Weekend you can see fully tsunami in JP Nagar. People call me, hey, in JP Nagar, you've been to Uru, how is it? Hey, the Kind Cafe, hi, hengide? Have you been to Kalpane? Hengide, full bookings alva, weekends. Have you been to the Indian Tiffin Company? How is it? Hey, hello, I don't know. I haven't gone to these places. For me, it is only SN refreshments, apna SNR. That's all. Oh, people see Instagram nowadays and call, hey, how is Raja Gobi there, yeah? How is Sharma's Masal Puri, yeah? Sorry, we haven't tasted. We are at home only. You come from where and enjoy JP Nagar and please go back home. Please do not ask for recommendations to me. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.